Hey everybody, Dutch Sense here. 12:15 a.m. Central Time on Tuesday, May 5th, 2015. And I've got you looking at Earthquake 3D here, which is a USGS feed of the most recent earthquakes. And you can see a 7.5 magnitude earthquake struck here in Papua New Guinea. And this is the area that we had warned 3 days ago, or 4 days ago, on May 1st in the earthquake forecast. Specifically issued a warning for this area right here. A better idea, let's look at the last 48 hours of earthquakes. All right, now we're looking at the last 48 hours. You can see the deep asthenosphere 6.2 magnitude earthquake. The 6.8 at a shallow level was a response to the previous earthquakes that had happened a few days prior. So that means there's going to be follow-up movement sometime in the near term over the next 7 days, again in the area to the west-northwest of this deep 6.2. So look west of the 6.2, northwest of the 6.2, somewhere out here in this region, we're going to have to see shallow, large movement greater than the 6.8 that struck here, which was a result of the 5.0 earthquakes that struck in the asthenosphere deep in the earth earlier in the week. So first we saw 5.0s, that led to the 6.8 here, then we saw 6.2, that's going to lead to another earthquake right in this area again. And now a 7.5. And that's on top of the 6.9, revised down to 6.8, that struck just a few days ago. All in all, that's 3 borderline 7.0 earthquakes, 7.5, 7.2, and a 6.9, or 6.8, 6.8, and 7.5, depending on which way you look at it. Large earthquake activity taking place in the West Pacific. This is no shock to any of us who are paying attention to the large earthquake activity taking place around the planet right now. We're at a state of heightened unrest, no doubt about it. Look at the United States, talked about this at length over the last couple days. And look at the international activity elsewhere, but specifically in Papua New Guinea, this area was forecast to show movement that was based upon the deep asthenosphere earthquakes. The higher these are off the planet, the deeper they are into the earth. This is an earthquake 3D feature that shows us the depth of the earthquakes. And directly in between that deep movement, multiple 7.0 earthquakes. Guys, have an earthquake plan ready. Be prepared, just in case. We are at a state of heightened unrest right now. I know other people are talking about how things are calm. They are not calm. And anybody who's saying that things are calm is lying to you. Guys, always have an earthquake plan ready and be prepared just in case. You may never have to use your earthquake plan, but at times like now, there is no doubt a state of heightened unrest. And if we go to the United States, we could talk about what's happening here. We saw a series of 4.0 earthquakes strike over the last 24 to 48 hours, starting in Los Angeles, going up to San Francisco, and now off the shores of Northern California again at the Gorda Escarpment. And that's another 4.3 magnitude earthquake. Watching for that to happen as well. Again, this stuff was forecast to occur days beforehand. Okay? Be safe, guys.